Hello, very good morning guys. This is Kepler and you're watching Kepler Talks. So guys, today I'm going to show you a trick to gain maximum profit per day. Okay, so just check my balance here. It's just $100. Okay, now this is binary.com and this is volatility index 25. Just go here at web trader. Okay, so open two indexes. Okay, now select digits both here, and in first index select digit over, and in second digit under. Now I'm going to play a bot here. Okay, so just check it out. If I won both here, $10 here, $10 here, both at stake, whole stake. Okay, so if I win, then I gain $4 per trade. Okay, so let's start. 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, 4.39. okay, so in first trade I get profit of $4.39. okay, so this here, let me show you. If digit is over 5, then I will make profit. If digit is under 4, then I will make profit. If after 5 ticks 5 and 4 came, then I'm in loss about $20. So let's check it out here. Number, okay, 9 4 2 4 no, 2 no, 5 no, 7 4 no, 9 5 no, 6 no, 1 no, 6 no, 5 yes, 2 5 3 7. Oh my god, so I'm in loss about. Okay, now I'm going to recover my losses. Okay, do 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 do. No 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 no. Okay guys, so I have profit $199. Ooh, that's cool. Okay, now let's trade again. Yes. Do 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 do. $23.90 our profit. Now this is feeling really cool. Okay, yes. 1 2 2 7 6. Yes. Ooh la la la. 128 profit. Now my target is $150. Okay, yes, a profit again, a profit again, a profit again. $32.68. Yes, and the money is just cool. I love money. I love making money online. I love trading, whether it is in cryptocurrencies, whether in forex market, in binary option. I want to make money. I want to make really huge money. Yes. Oh, 5 2. Okay. No. 7. Okay. 1 8 7 1. Okay. 5 9 2. Oh shit, man. Oh no. So again, $50. Oh, 5 5 5. Always came 5. Always came 5. 4 4 4 4 4 2. No. Not open. Not open. Not open. Not open. Not open. Not open. No. Not open. Not open. No. 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 The club isn't the best place to find love. The bar is where I go. Yes. Oh, sorry. 7 2. Now in the street I will definitely make profit. Yes, $139. Ooh, la la la. 10. Okay, 10. Yes. Yo, no. I again lose. Don't worry. 55. Come on, baby. I just want to make profit. Every time profit. Yes. $143. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. La 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 la. Oh yes. Again, this will be my freaking last trade. If I make profit, I make $50. Oh yeah. So guys, so as you can see here that my whole investment was only $100, so I just make $151.95 in just some minutes. Okay, so now this is the easiest way to make money online. So guys, if you like this video, please share, like, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We will make money every day, every minute, every second of our freaking life. Jai Hind.